My brothers and sisters, this video can take some long time. But by the grace of Allah you will achieve some significant details. So watch this video to the end to get full benefits.
May the peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah be with you all. The concept of warnings in Islam is often misunderstood. We might imagine a stern judge, but Allah is the most merciful, the most compassionate. His warnings, like a parent's loving correction, are meant to guide us back to the straight path. Today's lecture explores this concept through the beautiful stories and reminders found in the Quran and Hadith. The gift of guidance, a world full of signs. Allah created us and placed us on this earth for a purpose. He didn't leave us wandering blindly. The Quran itself is a mercy, a guiding light. This is a book which we have revealed to you, O Prophet, so that you may lead people out of darkness and into light, by the will of their Lord, to the path of the Almighty, the Praiseworthy. Just as the sun guides us during the day, the Quran and the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, illuminate our path throughout life. We are also surrounded by signs in nature, reminders of Allah's power and design. The story of Prophet Yunus. The Quran tells the story of Prophet Yunus. When he became overwhelmed by his task, he left his community without Allah's permission. He found himself swallowed by a whale, alone in the darkness. In that moment of despair, he turned to Allah with sincere repentance. And remember when the man of the whale stormed off from his city in a rage, thinking we would not restrain him. Then in the veils of darkness he cried out, "There is no God worthy of worship except you. Glory be to you. I have certainly done wrong." Allah responded to his sincere plea and saved him. This story reminds us that no matter how far we stray, Allah's mercy is always available to those who turn back to Him with true repentance. Warnings from the Prophet. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, warned his followers about things that could lead them away from the right path. These warnings weren't meant to scare, but to guide us towards a life of peace and happiness. For example, the Prophet peace be upon him spoke about the importance of avoiding things that harm our bodies and minds, like excessive wealth or neglecting prayer. These are gentle reminders to keep our priorities straight and focus on what truly matters in life, our connection with Allah. The Day of Judgment, a day of accountability, not just punishment. The Day of Judgment is a reality we will all face. It's a day of accountability, where our deeds will be weighed. The Quran reminds us. We set up the scales of justice for the Day of Judgment, so no soul will be wronged in the least. And even if a deed is the weight of a mustard seed, we will bring it forth. And sufficient are we as a vigilant reckoner. However, focusing solely on punishment creates fear. The Quran also tells us about the incredible reward that awaits those who believe and do good deeds. As for those who believe and do good, we will admit them into gardens under which rivers flow, to stay there forever and ever. There they will have pure spouses, and we will place them under a vast shade. The importance of taking action, walking the path of guidance. Knowing is not enough. We must act upon the knowledge we receive. The Prophet said, "The believer is always striving, he is either performing good deeds or has the intention of doing them." This striving doesn't have to be overwhelming. We can start small, with daily acts of worship and kindness. Reading Quran, even a few verses a day, can plant seeds of faith in our hearts. Helping those in need brings us closer to Allah and strengthens our community. Conclusion, a gentle invitation to embrace Allah's mercy. Let us not view warnings as threats, but as a loving nudge from Allah to get back on track. Every day is a new opportunity to turn towards Him, to seek His forgiveness, and to walk the path.